Me and the boys tulikuwa tunajiambia lazima tutoe hii kasi yenye imewekwa hapa Prinsloo. Last year we were in the finals, so this one we had to take it. We need to take our boxes, the ones we've not ticked here. That is connection, defense and conversion rates.
We were really targeting on this target, so we came up, we worked so hard as a team and we were able to get the results that we wanted. It's a journey. We've started so well, so if we're able to build on the momentum to continue playing in the other tournaments, we'll be able to just see how we can be able to succeed.
Big pardon. Still the first half, ladies and gentlemen.